Coinbase CEO hints new Layer 2 network could have AML measures. Tornado Cash Dev launches regulator-friendly crypto mixer sequel. Canaan sees shocking 82% drop in revenue in just one quarter. Welcome to Crypto News Today. If you want to keep up with everything about the world of cryptocurrencies, subscribe and click on the bell to not miss any video. Also leave in the comments what is your favorite cryptocurrency. Let's go with today's news. Know your customer. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong hinted that Base, the firm's new Layer 2 blockchain network, may require transaction monitoring and anti-money laundering measures at launch. This has raised the question of whether KYC requirements will be implemented, making Base the first ever L2 to do so. Although Coinbase has yet to confirm or deny, the crypto community is hailing Base as a massive confidence vote for Ethereum. New crypto mixer available. Ameen Soleimani, a former Tornado Cash developer, has launched a new Ethereum-based crypto mixer, Privacy Pools, which uses zero-knowledge proofs to enable users to prove that they're not associated with criminal activity. Soleimani hopes this will convince U.S. regulators to reconsider their stance on privacy mixers and may even lead to the wider mass adoption of crypto. The code is currently in its experimental stage, but Soleimani is close to having it ready. Canaan, minus 82%. Canaan, a Chinese Bitcoin miner, reported a massive 82.1% year-over-year drop in revenue for Q4 2022. Sales of 1.9 million terahash per second in computing power for Bitcoin mining plummeted 75.8% from the previous year. Despite the mining segment's success, net income swung to a staggering $63.6 million loss. For the full year, revenue decreased by 13.8%. With a total of $706 million in assets and $67 million in liabilities, this is one company to watch out for. Crypto scam, $216.6 million. Crypto scams took a massive toll in Hong Kong in 2022, with losses amounting to 1.7 billion Hong Kong dollars, $216.6 million. Cases surged 67% from the previous year and accounted for over 50% of the 3.2 billion Hong Kong dollars, $407 million, stolen in technology crimes. Crypto use in online scams has made tracking criminal funds more difficult than ever, with fraudsters hiding their identities, transactions, and destinations. Hong Kong police are now warning of experienced investors luring victims into fraudulent investments. Despite this, the government is still pushing ahead with its crypto licensing regime set for June 2023. Binance poor, $63 billion. Binance has just announced the addition of 11 tokens to its Proof of Reserves (POR) system, taking the total to 24 assets and $63 billion in customer balances. As the largest crypto exchange, Binance has implemented ZK-SNARKs to increase user data privacy and security. However, experts have warned of the limitations of POR, and Mazars, a South African auditor, removed Binance POR audit from its website. Get the inside scoop on Binance POR update and its implications today. Leave your opinion in the comments, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. See you in the next video.